Here I have REALME Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes you have to open dial pad on your REALME, enter secret codes here, and the first code for today will be *677# 6 £, and this is the software information menu. Here you can see you can find lots of different interesting informations about your device. The next code will be *888#, and this is the PCB number and the QR code to it. The next code will be *426#, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can find some information about your internet connection, which could be useful. The next code will be *225#, and this is the calendar info menu. So if you have any calendars added on your device, they will be displayed here. Could be useful. The next code will be *800#, and this is the feedback menu. So this is like very interesting stuff. You can like report some bug or issue which you found on the REALME phone to the like REALME company, people who like in charge of all these bugs, or you can just contact them, open chat, and write your own feedback, your experience about using REALME device and what do you think of it. Maybe you have some propositions, or I don't know. Could be interesting. The next code will be *1234#, and this is the software version. Next code will be *07#, and this is the maximum SAR level. And the last code will be *06#, and this is the code which displays your email numbers and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.